parang binrush aside pa ng Pangulo, no, na sabi niya na huwag tayong maniniwala sa isang survey lang, pero ngayon kasi may pattern of consistency na, no, at kung makikita natin kasama ng LE, talagang habang tumatagal lalong tumataas. I mean, from -3 to -14 now to -27. So the pattern of consistency is very much established, and I think in the future makikita natin, no, na maaari pa yung pagbaba nito unless meron tayong makikitang or gagawin ng Pangulo na headway para na masasabi natin decisive enough, no, to actually turn things around and to regain public favor. Pero ngayon kasi may kita natin, ano, sa pagpasok ng taon, ang kanyang ginawa pa lang ay yung pagpirma dun sa GAA na alam naman natin, ano, it's also quite unpopular because may mga insertions pa rin naman, may mga unprogrammed funds pa rin naman na naikargan at hindi ko masasabi na totally malinis yung budget na yun, ano. Other than that, tahimik ang Pangulo regarding the flood control scandal, tahimik siya regarding the corruption issues, and ito nga, no, yung pasabog din ni Manong Chavit Singson last week, I think this week was also something that I think he needs to look into very well, kasi kung ito lahat ay hindi niya siseryosohin, I think wala siyang patutunguhan dito but to become I think the lowest ranking president in the entire history of the country.